Exercise 7.8, question number 5. A rectangular page is to contain 24 centimeter square of print. The margins at the top and bottom of the page are 1.5 centimeter and the margins at other sides of the page is 1 centimeter. What should be the dimensions of the page so that the area of the paper used is minimum? So here I have drawn the diagram. So this is the page. You have top margin and bottom margin. Top and bottom margin are 1.5 centimeter. Side margin 1 centimeter. So leaving margin on the sides, this is a print. The inner rectangle is the print. Area of the print is 24 centimeter square. It's given. Now you want to find dimensions of the page. The outer rectangle dimensions, length and breadth கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். So that the area used is minimum. Okay. Since area of the print is given, let the dimensions of the printed portion be x and y. Let x and y be the dimensions of the printed portion. For this printed portion, area is given. Area equal to 24. Area is length into breadth. That is xy. Xy equal to 24. Y equal to 24 by x. Now, top and bottom margins 1.5 centimeter and side margin 1 centimeter. Now, this is x. Side margin, in the side 1, in the side 1. So, for this outer portion, the dimension is x plus 2. 1 plus 1 add panina x plus 2. Similarly, here y, bottom margin 1.5, top margin 1.5. So, 1.5 plus 1.5, 3. So, this breadth is y plus 3. Therefore, dimensions of the page are x plus 2, y plus 3. Now, find area of the page. Area of the page is length into breadth. That is x plus 2 into y plus 3. There are two variables. First, we have to eliminate. So, y நம்ம eliminate பண்ணலாம். So, இதிலிருந்து நம்ம y கண்டுபிடிக்கலாம். Y equal to 24 by x. Area equal to, multiply this, xy plus 3x plus 2y plus 6. xy equal to 24. So, இந்த xy க்கு நம்ம 24 substitute பண்ணிக்கலாம். 24 plus 3x plus 2 into y is 24 by x plus 6. 24 add with this 6, 30. Area A is a function of x. So, A of x equal to 30 plus 3x plus 2 into 24, 48 by x. Now, differentiating. A dash of x is equal to 30 constant. So, derivative of 30 is 0. Differential of 3x is 3 plus 48. Derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. Already நான் ஒரு ப்ராப்ளத்தை கொடுத்திருக்கேன். So, this becomes minus 48 by x square. So, again differentiating second time. A double dash of x equal to 3 constant. So, derivative of 3 is 0 minus 48. Derivative of 1 by x square is minus 2 by x cube. So, this is a double dash of x equal to minus into minus plus 48 into 2, 96 by x cube. So, a double dash of x equal to 96 by x cube. Now, we do not know the value of x. So, only when you know the value of x, we can say whether this is positive or negative. Now put first derivative equal to 0. A dash of x equal to 0. That is 3 minus 48 by x square equal to 0. To get the value of x, taking 3 other side, minus 48 by x square equal to minus 3. Cancel minus sign on both sides. Cancelling 3 with 48, 16 times. X square equal to 16. X equal to plus or minus 4. X cannot be negative. So leaving minus value, x equal to 4. Now after finding the value of x, substitute x in second derivative. So when x equal to 4, a double dash of x equal to 96 by 4 cube. This is positive, greater than 0. Second derivative positive, so area is minimum. Now to find the dimension, find y. When x equal to 4, y equal to 24 by x. So substituting for x, 24 by 4, that is equal to 6. X equal to 4, y equal to 6. Now we want to find dimensions of the page. Dimensions of the page are x plus 2, y plus 3. So substitute for x. X plus 2 equal to 4 plus 2, 6. And y plus 3 equal to 6 plus 3, 9. Therefore, dimensions of the page are 6 centimeter and 9 centimeter. Question number 6. A farmer plans to fence rectangular pasture adjacent to a river. The pasture must contain 1,80,000 square meters in order to provide enough grass for herds. No fencing is needed along the river. What is the length of the minimum needed fencing material? So here is the diagram. This is the rectangular land adjacent to a river. So this is the river. Adjacent na river பக்கத்தில் adjacent. No need of fencing along the river. இந்த சைடு நம்ம வேலி போட தேவையில்லை. ஸோ இந்த 3 சைடு தான் வேலி போடணும்னு கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. எஸ் and area of the land is 1,80,000. You want to find length of the minimum needed fencing material. So fencing வேலி போடுறதுக்கு எவ்வளோ ஒயர் நமக்கு தேவைப்படுது அப்படின்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. Let x and y be the dimensions of the pasture. மேய்ச்சல் நிலம். Okay. Area is given. Area equal to 1,80,000. Area is xy. Xy equal to 1,80,000. For eliminating y, we will find y. Y equal to 1,80,000 by x. Perimeter equal to. Since no fencing on the river side, the 3 side தான் நம்ம add பண்ணணும். Perimeter. Perimeter is x plus y plus x. X plus x, 2x. So perimeter is 2x plus y. Substitute for y. Perimeter we denote by p. P of x equal to 2x plus 1,80,000 by x. Now differentiating 2 times. P dash of x equal to derivative of 2x is 2, 1,80,000. Derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. So we get here minus sign. Minus 1,80,000 by x square. Again differentiating. P double dash of x equal to derivative of 2 is 0. Is minus 1,80,000. And derivative of 1 by x square is minus 2 by x cube. Multiplying minus into minus plus. P double dash of x is equal to 3,60,000 by x cube. Yes, already I told you here. D by dx of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square and dy by dx of 1 by x square is minus 2 by x cube. Now to find the value of x, put first derivative equal to 0. P dash of x equal to 0. 2 minus 1,80,000 by x square equal to 0. Taking to right hand side, minus 1,80,000 by x square equal to minus 2. Cancel minus sign on both sides. 2 you can cancel with this 1,80,000. Cancel பண்ணீங்கன்னா 9 times. So 90,000. 90,000 by x square equal to 1 cross multiplying x square equal to 90,000, x equal to plus or minus 300, but dimensions length cannot be negative, so x cannot be negative, so leaving minus sign, plus value மட்டும் நம்ம எடுத்துக்கலாம். X equal to 300. Now substitute x equal to 300 in second derivative. P double dash of x equal to 3,60,000 divided by 300 cube. This is positive, greater than 0. Second derivative greater than 0, so that implies P. P na perimeter. Perimeter is minimum. Now to find the dimension, when x equal to 300, y equal to 1,80,000 divided by x 300. 2 0 cancel, 3 cancel with 18, 6 times 6 0 0, 600. Y equal to 600. X equal to 300, y equal to 600. Now length of the minimum fencing material தான் கேட்டிருக்காங்க, பெரிமீட்டர் தான் கேட்டிருக்காங்க. length of the minimum fencing material அப்படின்னு நம்ம பெரிமீட்டர் எழுதியிருக்கோம். 2x plus y, அதில் xக்கு yக்கு சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ணலாம். ஸோ 2 into 300 plus 600. 2 into 300 is 600 plus 600. So 1,200 meters. So length of the minimum fencing material needed is 1,200 meters.